Hi everyone, welcome to the official Edulap YouTube channel. Today we're going to dive into a powerful new feature of Microsoft Excel, Copilot. We'll show you how Copilot can help you clean and transform your data effortlessly. Let quote S start with our first scenario. Here we have a list of names in a single column, but we need to split them into two separate columns, first name and second name. Normally, you'd use a text-to-columns function or complex formulas, but with Copilot, it's much simpler. Let's go to the first name column, click on the cell next to our first name, and type =Copilot. The function is asking for a prompt _part 1 and a context 1. The prompt tells Copilot what to do, and the context tells it where the data is. Let's type in our prompt extract first name. Remember to use double quotes. Next, for the context, we'll select the cell with the full name, which is C6. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel is now working with Copilot to process the request. After a few moments, the first name, John, appears. Now, simply drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the cells, and Copilot automatically extracts all the first names for you. The process for the second name is exactly the same. Go to the second name column and type =Copilot. For the prompt, we'll type extract second name. For the context, we'll again select cell C6. Close the parenthesis, press enter, and once the result appears, drag the formula down. Just like that, Copilot has cleaned and separated all the names for you. Scenario 2, extracting month names. Now let's look at our second scenario, where we have a column of dates and we need to extract the month name from each one. Let's go to the month column, type =Copilot. Our prompt will be extract month name, and the context will be the first date cell, C14. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Copilot extracts January from the first date. Drag the formula down and see how Copilot correctly pulls the month name for every date in the list. This is incredibly helpful for quickly categorizing data by month. Scenario 3, cleaning alphanumeric data. Our third scenario involves cleaning up some messy data. We have a column with alphanumeric strings, but we only want to keep the numeric values. Let's go to our clean data column and type =Copilot. This time our prompt will be extract only numerical character. The context is the first cell in our data, C29. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Copilot quickly extracts only the numbers. Drag the formula down to clean the entire column instantly. Scenario 4, extracting the last 4 characters. For our final scenario, let's extract the last 4 characters from our data. In the new column, type =Copilot. Our prompt is extract last 4 character, and our context is the first cell of the data, C37. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Copilot extracts the last 4 characters. Drag the formula down, and the entire column is populated with the correct data. Conclusion. As you can see, the Copilot function in Excel is a game changer for data cleaning. By using simple prompts, you can perform complex data transformations in seconds, saving you a huge amount of time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Edulap channel for more tutorials, and leave a comment below with any questions you have. Thanks for watching!